HP for potentially the increased damage of this character, which I would get only +4.
I'm ready.
She's literally a one-hitter quitter. I mean, she has her moment, I guess. What's her special attack?
Okay.
6 damage.
Leave it to me.
4 damage only? I'm assuming it also accounts the +3 damage if she doesn't move, but wow, that's terrible.
Seriously.
All right, I take back everything I said.
Here we go. This is perfect heat. Let's do it to it.
Take everything back.
Okay. Go away. Let's go. Okay. All right, I'll use it. Let's do it to it. Uh-oh, dead already.
All right. None of these can hit my thing. I should be fine. Go look over here. Also, can I turn up my... Let's see. Can I turn up my cursor? I think that's battle cursor. There we go. Yeah, sure. Go a little bit faster. What do we have here? This user does not take damage while it misses on the battlefield. Perform a counterattack when hit by an enemy. Attack +1 against lone enemies. Okay.
I'll show you what's up. Let's freaking go. Hey, yeah, let me at him.
I do so much damage.
Bang, bang, bang! You saw that. Let's freaking go. Get the hell out of my way.
Ah, I see. That's what it means by counter damage. Okay, hold on.
Too freaking good.